Alright, so I've got the spoiler here. I'm just going to wipe it down real quick with some alcohol and make sure that these spots here that's going to connect against the actual car to are clean. I'm going to make sure there's clean, around here is clean, and on the other side here, I'm going to make sure all of that's clean. Then I'm going to put some of this 3M double-sided tape on it, and then I'll clean the area on the actual car where it's going to go, and then we'll paste it on there and we'll see how good this stuff is, if it can hold down this spoiler quite securely. So I'm just going to wipe down these areas and apply the tape, and then I'll cut back to when I've done that. Right, so I finished putting on the 3M tape onto the spoiler in the areas that it's going to connect onto the car. So the surface is cleaned, 3M tape is on. So now I'm just going to clean the surface on the car and then put this on. So I'll show you that now. Alright, so I'm outside at the car. Here's where the spoiler's going to attach onto the back part of the car here. So as you can see, it's quite dirty. So I'm just gonna use my alcohol and the cloth to wipe this down, clean it off really good, so that I can put the spoiler on. So I'm just gonna give this a quick wipe down and attach the spoiler to it. Alright, the area is now clean on there. So I'm just gonna peel off the backing tape here and apply the spoiler. I would love to film this part, but I want to make sure it goes on properly, so I'm going to use 2 hands for that, and I don't have anywhere to mount the camera right now to show you guys that. So at some point in the future I'll probably need to invest in some sort of GoPro and head mount or something like that, but for now I'm sorry. But what I'm going to do is unpeel this, flip it round, place it in the proper position, hold it down for a few seconds, then let it cure for about like 24 to 78 hours or 72 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, show you when it's actually on the car. All it is taking off this tape and then sticking it down onto that little spoiler thing that's already on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so I've just finished sticking it down. Here it is. When I was sticking it down, I went to readjust it and had to take it up, and just for it sitting there for about a second or two, it was already stuck on there pretty good. So I have a good feeling about this, that it will stay on there, but only time will tell. So I'll link the double-sided tape that I used in the description, just in case any of you want to use it. But yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Until next time, peace.